Go home happy with the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This stylish Jetta offers an impressive suite of amenities, spirited performance, and the safety features you need to feel confident on every journey. It's loaded with common sense, yet makes you feel sensational. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat, traction control. Enjoy the driving satisfaction you deserve. This Jetta is waiting for you. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.